right, I've been away. Some really cool things have arrived. First off, I have all my amazing spots, all the spots that I put on my super styly jackets, brass and stainless steel nickel plated. So we've got the big bar, you got the little diamond from the same company that made these in the 50s, and I have my new black oxide, which I'm going to be using pretty soon. And then we have all the lovely little dome spots. Dome in brass, dome in nickel, and there's dome in black. Here we go, dome in black. The other exciting thing is I just got my box from my craftsman James Brooks. James is in Gatineau, Quebec. James uses European techniques. These are all our leather samples of our buffalo, our bison. And he's using European craftsman's techniques to build these wallets. Now, people have heard about these wallets. I'm just going to open one. This is the Shinky horse butt. There's now a 2-year wait for Shinky horse butt. And these are absolutely majestic, magnificent, just incredible. Hand burnished, hand painted, hand glazed, skived, sanded, stitched, incredibly fine stitches, high stitch count. There's a little padding to buffer the walking foot as it goes across. Highest quality stainless steel. I have my own little logo emblazoned. They're incredible. And you can order just a little man pocket wallet, or you can get the lanyards with the belt loops. So I have 10 here. I can make 10 more, and then we're moving on to a new style wallet. So I'm just letting you know that this week and next week is probably the time. I've already sold half of these. The other half are available and ready to go. So the belt loops are in here. The belt loops are incredible as well. Solid stainless steel, also Shinky. And this is what your wallet's going to hook onto on your belt. Also hand skived, sanded, polished, burnished, coated, painted. Quite spectacular, and my little logos on the back. So that's that. Now the final thing, which I have not seen, and looks like a loaf of bread. This is a prototype. Final thing, it's a prototype in this beautiful package. It is the beginnings of my new bag line. As people who follow my brand know, I have had different offerings with horse leather bags. This is the first to go along with the wallet from the same master craftsman, leather nerd, Himmel equivalent in bags. And this is the Bison Shave Kit. This is a beautiful, this is the first time I'm seeing it, final version. And I can tell you, it's, I'm not allowed to swear, effing amazing. And I'm going to give you different reasons why. One, the leather is hand dyed and hand colored with a little bit of pull up. That's first. The Wicked and Craig is the strap and the little handle that you can put your razor and your toothbrush in with my embossed logo. The zipper is an original 60s dead stock lightning zipper. I have a huge collection of original zippers made in St. Catharines. Gideon Sunback's company, the inventor of the working modern zipper, he opened a factory in St. Catharines, Ontario, built Lightning zippers, and this is it, a number 10 cotton tape brass Lightning zipper. I have a limited supply of these original zippers, and you can see the action on it is just beautiful. As I said, first time I've seen this. Hang it up, put your shaving kit in there, put your personal man grooming, beard grooming, cock and balls grooming stuff in there. Trim it up. Don't take it on an airplane, apparently, if it's more than 5 fluid ounces or some nonsense. So there you go. Vintage Lightning zipper. Let's look inside. You can hang it this way too. Double man purse. Now, I gave James the materials, so we have some stuffing in here. Whoa! But what you need to see is there's an inside pocket, okay? And he has his little logo in there, so, which is very nice. It's a nice little co-brand. And inside is my Japanese 10-ounce loomed in Japan indigo denim. So salvage edged indigo denim, although there is no way to show the salvaged edge inside this shaving kit. So quite beautiful. Have my little label in here. Can't really see it, but it's in there. And the indigo denim is bonded to the leather. So if I can figure out a way to put a salvage stripe down the middle, I will. This is just the first prototype. I have 2 colorways. I'm still experiencing what we're gonna do with it. So there you go, Himmel Bros shaving kit. Vintage original Lightning zipper, Japanese indigo 10-ounce denim. I think it's Kuroki. Bison leather, Win & Craig. And pretty original, pretty beautiful. We'll have some more pics and some more discussion about this when I'm done.